So Grok 3 is now free. Yes. Now you will have access to Grok 3 on both the X platform and the Grok site for free. First of all, I'll recommend that you only use it via the Grok site instead of X site because the Grok site is insanely better. You can see that we now have this Grok 3 option here. On the drop down, Grok 2, and you can change it to Grok 3. Now you can change this from the top right corner three lines which says history, and you can click switch model from Grok 2 and again Grok 3. It looks good, and we also have deep search as well as think option here. It is cool to see because it's free and it doesn't cost you any money, unlike OpenAI's counterpart which costs $200. You can toggle between deep search and think. Okay, I'm going to ask you a question. If you could redesign the way human perceives time, how would that affect our daily lives? Let's see how Grok 3 is going to think about it. And that is the think mode. It's thinking, and you could see that it is thinking as if you are thinking. And it thought for 7 seconds, and it gave the result. And look at that, whatever it was thinking, it was described here. And it says that, so I'm thinking about how human perceives time and how redesigning that perception could affect our daily lives. Okay, that's the way we think. If we could redesign the way human perceives time, one intriguing possibly would be the shift from our current linear perception, where time flows from past to present to the future, to a more fluid, multidimensional experience. In this redesigned perception, humans might experience past, present, and future as interconnected or even simultaneous rather than as separate sequential moments. This fundamental change will profoundly impact our daily lives, reshaping how we think, act, and interact with the world. Okay, that's an interesting read. I'll include this in my blog. Okay, now let's try how the deep search is going to work. I'm going to put a question, and let's ask, what is the most unexpected discovery that could change our understanding of the universe? Let's see. Look at that. That is deep search. It's thinking, exploring universe discoveries, assessing unexpectedness. That is looking good. It gave this one. The most unexpected discovery that could change our understanding of the universe is finding a new fundamental force of nature beyond the four we currently know. Okay, that's interesting. And look at that full report is here. And the key citations are also listed here, and we have option here to regenerate, copy share link. What is that? Copy share link. I'm going to paste it and check it out. Look at that, there is a share link, so you can share it on your social media platforms. Love this, not for me. Okay, love this. What is that? Love this, not for me. It's just maybe they are taking the data to see how much we like it or we don't like it. So that's it is. And if you go back to the home page, you could see they have this predefined points of like research, brainstorm, analyze data, create image and code. So let's try the code, and then finally we try the image as well. Okay, for code I'm going to ask, help me write a one page HTML code designing the classic snake game. Hit. Okay. Look at that. That is done. And it says how to play as well. Use arrow keys to control, and eat the red apple to grow longer. Avoid running it yourself. Avoid running into yourself. The snake wraps around the edges of the screen. Okay, let's copy this. What is this wrap option? Unwrap. This is our code. That's our HTML code. I'm gonna run it, and look at that. That's our game. I'm going to try. That's a nice game. Okay, that did the job what is expected. Now, finally, we'll generate this image and see what it is going to provide us. To create image, this is their option. So my prompt is draw a beautiful American girl wearing a traditional sari. Let's see what GROK can do on image generation. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Look at the details in the picture. Wow. It's so hyper realistic images. I'm impressed on the quality of the images it generated. And you can copy or save the images. Look, I got this save images, and you got this watermark here, GROK. So that's that. I think this is good as it makes it easier to use, although the rate limit seems to be quite strict compared to something like ChatGPT's O3 mini, which gives you 50 requests daily, while this is limited to much lower than that. It is free, which is good to see, and they have now also launched the Super GROK membership. If you see here, yes, which will give you increased late limit and unlimited generation. So that's it about GROK. Please subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts as well. Leave some comments if you have some. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.